In this video, we're going to look at the Google Docs interface. So when you go to docs.google.com and sign in, this is the first screen that you'll see once you've logged in. You can see up in the top section here, we have a bunch of different templates that you can use to get started. If you click on the More button, that shows you, it expands and it shows you a bunch of other formats. You've got resumes, business letters, reports, all kinds of different templates that you could just click on and get started. To go back to our menu, just click on the arrow up in the top left corner here, and that shrinks it up. So you also see all the other docs that you've created. So here we've got a bunch of different docs. If we go up to the top left corner and we select the menu button, that opens up and we can see other Google apps. So if we want to start another Google app like a Sheets or a Slides, we can click on that and it would take us into that app. We also have settings where you have language settings and just how you want the text to be displayed. Always show right to left controls. You can select that if you want to. We also have help and feedback. If you select this, it opens up a menu and you can search for help topics and be able to read through those. And the last button we have is Google Drive. This will take us back to our Drive account and we can see all of the documents that we have in Drive. We also have a Google search menu up at the top here, so this will search all of the documents that you've created. So I have a document, say right here, called Deploying Technology, and I want to find that quickly. I can just type in deploying and it'll pull up the documents. So this is great if you have a bunch of documents and you want to find them quickly, not want to have to look through and scroll down each screen. Over on the right hand side we have the views. So right now we're looking at a grid view, but we can click on this to toggle to the list view. If we do that, you see our documents are in a list view. And if we toggle again, we go back to the grid view. You also have sorting options, so you can sort by last opened by me, last modified by me, last modified, and title. So those are some different ways to sort through your documents. The folder icon on the right is the open file picker. If you open this up, you can see files that you have on my drive. You can see files that are shared with me by other people. We have documents that are starred, so this is like a way to make a document your favorite or to be able to find it quickly. You can star it and then it'll come up in here when you look for that. You can also see recent documents that you've worked on, and then you have the upload feature here to be able to upload a document, which we will look at a little bit later on in the lesson. And we click the X to close that out. Okay, in this video we've looked at the home screen when you first come into Google Docs. Now let's look at creating a Google Doc.